Alright, good morning. You are watching the second half action between the Brazen Pillars and the Angelina Boys. This is your Interlodge Basketball League sponsored by the so-called Ballers. Good morning, good morning, good morning on this beautiful Sunday morning. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. As we start this second half, Angelina Boys up 33-15 against the Brazen Pillars. Well, what happened in the first half? Brazen Pillars playing without their leading scorer, Laurente and Reynolds, but De Villa is there to carry on the load. Hang time! And he will be rewarded with 2 free throws. Foul will be called against Bacani, if I'm not mistaken, right? First personal on Bacani. A chance for Brazen Pillars to somehow make a run, and this is the best time for us to promote our next game for the so-called Ballers. Our next game would be Brazen Pillars versus ABL Andres Bonifacio Lodge. Okay, he misses both free throws, no? He missed both free throws for De Villa. Well, for the Angelina Boys, they were capitalizing on their rebounding and their fast break plays, no? So Brazen Pillars should do something about it. Maybe put some pressure on their ball handlers. Short for Bote, but Fronda. Second chance points for him. Well, Brazen Pillars not playing with their big man. However, they have their front court, Yalong and Santos, who can provide those offensive boards for them. Reverse layup, Santos cannot convert, and they will use the clock for Parumao. Directing traffic. Fronda left wide open. Too strong for him. Miranda will control the board. Fast break opportunity for Brazen Pillars. De Villa to Davis. Misses. Well, at least Brazen Pillars are now running, you know. With the addition of De Villa, who is badly needed for this squad. And foul will be called against who? Let's go. Foul on Santos. That would be his third personal foul for Santos. So Santos 3 personal fouls according to our officials. Miranda to Davis. Davis looking at a 2-3 zone. At the corner, Santos hoists it up. Yalong is there to pick up the trash. They swing it around since they are wearing both uniforms. Parumao with the deception play. Able to deceive Davis. Well, that's the confusing part if both teams are wearing black jerseys, no? You gotta recognize your teammates. Or better yet, if you can smell them. Too strong for De Villa. And this is going to be an interesting matchup. Parungao against De Villa, but Parungao on that end will get the better of him. Parungao navigating, sees Fronda from the elbow. Good defense by Yalong as he was able to stop the play, challenging. One-on-one, De Villa against Parungao, and De Villa pumps it up the air. A good attempt by De Villa, but unable to convert. Bacani stripped away, but again, Mike Bacani offline for him. Finally, De Villa will finish. 19-40, 21-point lead. Well, for Brazen Pillars, they gotta make some stops here. On the run, Miranda, 2-on-2 situation. Davis, no shooters bounce for him. Parungao steps on the gas, sudden burst of quickness. De Villa against Bacani. Look at the hang time from De Villa, trying to wake up his teammates right there. 19-point game, slowly but surely Brazen Pillars trying to climb that ladder. Riding on the back of De Villa, Mr. Island Boy on the attack. Substitution. Dukusin for Angelina Boys and Ramores. Ramores, you can enter the ball game for the foul-troubled Santos. Pump fake, throws a wild shot, but Bagao is there to clean up the board. Yalong, handoff, high-low, miscommunication. Ramores unable to catch that ball. Our referees for today, Vince Mojares and Vince Camper, will be our officials all throughout the day. Dukusin thought about it. They go at the post, give and go. Unable to complete the play. And here comes De Villa again. De Villa with the shooter's bounce for De Villa. Crawls right in. Well, that is something that they badly needed for Brazen Pillars. Those backwards scoring of De Villa and Laurente, no? Whom they have been missing. Well, I wonder if Brazen Pillars are complete with Reynolds and Laurente. This should be a more interesting ball game, no? Foul on Miranda. That is his second personal foul for Miranda. Baseline throw-in. Bagao. Another chance for them to convert. Baseline, backdoor. Pedal on the metal again, De Villa! And yes, he will convert. 42-25. And that is a bright spark for Brazen Pillars, no? And foul will be called against Yalong. How many fouls does Yalong have? 15. That's his first personal foul for Yalong. He's not yet in foul trouble. Remember, this is running time, huh? The only time we stop the play is 1 minute. So again, our next game is Brazen Pillars versus Andres Bonifacio Lodge. Metropolitan Lodge against AWC.
No basket violence.
GGL versus Hawk Team Hawk. One more shot. Bagao. 43-25 is our official score. As for our time, we need to coordinate, but approximately it's 10 minutes. De Villa, short. Miranda, bumping and grinding, and Miranda, all power down low for Miranda. Well, at least Brazen Pillars are now more inspired as they are fully awakened here in the second half. De Villa charging his way, and it will be a charging foul. So that would be first personal foul on De Villa. Well, you can see the aggressiveness.
101.
Huh?
Ref 101 daw. Ref.
One
One.
pala.
Time out
4-1 pala.
for Brazen Pillars.
Anong tanong? Ay, hindi ko to. Ano?
Isa pa lang yung foul na.
Penalty?
Ano.
Ha? Bakit hindi? 1 na 1? 7 foul?
No? Bakit? Ano pa lang sa akin? 4-1.
What are you doing here, man? Ay, hindi ko na...
Football. Black going this way. Going this way.
Tell me if you're gonna start the clock. Okay, back to the action. Our official score, Angelina Boys up 43 against Brazen Pillars 27. This is your Interlodge Freemason Basketball League, sponsored by the so-called Ballers. Angelina Boys playing with the Reyes, Barungao, Bote, Bacani, short, takes the flight. Bacani will be rewarded free throws.
16. Black 16.
That's his second personal foul for Yalom. Alright, this is the best time for us to promote our so-called ballers. Make sure to follow our YouTube page, so-called ballers 21, for our YouTube.
Wala, dito na ako.
Barungao, 3-on-1 situation. Not this time. Thought about it. Yalom, drop pass, and he got the shooter's bounce. Corrals the rebound for Bacani. Barungao looking at his options, and it will go to the other side. (45-29), Brazen Pillars trying to play catch up here. attacks the zone for De Villa. Pretty much one-sided ball game so far, with under 6 minutes left here in the second half. Angelina boys looking for their second win of this tournament. Give and go, Dokusin. Dribble drive. Hands it off, Parungao. Takes it closer. De Villa anticipating the play. Baseball pass to Castillo. Castillo saving it. Goes baseline. Reverse for Castillo. And Castillo will complete the play. High-low, Bacani, too strong against Aquino and Yalong. Quick passing here for the Angelina boys, finds Dokusin wide open. Ramores controls the board with 5 minutes and 45 remaining here. Castillo in the paint. And Castillo, again, back-to-back hits for Castillo. 45 to 33. Suddenly, Brazen Pillars making this a ball game. It's just a 12-point lead, 45 to 33. They were down by as much as 21 points. Now they're just down by 12. They still have some time left here. 5 minutes and 10. Remember, this is running time, but Bacani. This is the best time for us to promote our next game. Next game is Brazen Pillars against ABL. This is going to be an interesting matchup. Brazen Pillars and Angelina boys, you are watching. And quick conversion right there. And they extend the lead again. With the runner, De Villa throws it. .15 advantage by Angelina boys. Can the Brazen Pillars make a comeback? Foul on the Kusin. Ilan pa ba? Hindi ko nagawa yung ibang ibang graphic pero sa next game gawin natin yan. Total, we're still in the experiment stage tayo may upload pagka back to the action. If you have just tuned in, Angelina boys up by 15-48 against Brazen Pillars 33. This is the Interlodge Basketball League, powered by the so-called ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. And Angelina boys cruising by as much as 25 points in the first half. But Brazen Pillars trying to make a comeback here. They were able to make it to a 12-point lead. Let's see if Angelina boys will respond. At the middle, Soriano, Lopez, the crowd enjoying, celebrating at that three-point shot. Between the legs, De Villa, cross court to Davis, back to De Villa, drop pass anticipated, cut off by Bacani. 3 minutes remaining here in the second half. Time is not on the side of Brazen Pillars, but they can make it as close as possible as Santos converts. Soriano. Back to him. Soriano will pull the trigger. Bacani. Open under. And foul will be called against.
Warning. 101. Warning. Sabi mo.
Foul against Santos. That's his fourth personal foul. Fourth personal against Santos. Warning against Santos before he graduates in this game. And we are down to the last 2 minutes of this ball game. Brazen Pillars struggling mostly in the first half. Well, it could have been a different story if De Villa was here earlier, no? Because they were able to pull it down by as much as 12 points, no? From as high as 25 points in the first half. Well, yeah, Brazen Pillars playing incomplete. They don't have Reynolds and Laurente. On the attack, Bacani. Left wide open, but the defense quickly responding to the call. Lucusin trailing. Soriano waits for his teammates. They go at the post to Fronda. Fronda with the one-hander. 50 seconds remaining. Free throws will be rewarded to Bacani. Official score is 52-35. Last free throw before we end the game. It's safe to say that Angelina boys will win this ball game. We're just awaiting for the final score. Brazen Pillars still looking and hunting for their first win. And that's the end of the ball game. Brazen Pillars bowing down against Angelina boys. And that's the end of this first game. Stay tuned for the next game. This is the Interlodge Basketball League powered by SoCal Ballers.